Now, recently, the most emails I receive every single day, and the major topic is how to withdraw from a watch on a wallet. I have to come on to actually update you guys on how these whole things work. All right. In my previous channel, the major messages I used to receive is how to recover crypto sent to this wrong address or the other wrong address. But in this new channel, this is what I keep saying. All right. And let me say this and say this again. Now, if a friend of you, because I'm going to address the issue as it usually comes. Now, a watch on a wallet is a wallet that is created out of a public receiver address. Remember, it's a public receiver address, which means that the crypto inside cannot be accessed unless it was you have the key to the wallet, to the particular wallet. All right. So now, if a friend of yours gave you an address and they say and he said you should import it on Trust Wallet, that it will come up as a watch on a wallet, he is deceiving you. That's not true, or maybe he was deceived and is deceiving you. Now, if you gave your money to a trader, so-called trader that you guys usually find online, and the trader actually said he has sent your profit and the profit is in watch on a wallet, and you have to pay Trust Wallet, you have to pay Trust Wallet or pay KuCoin or pay whatever wallet to be able to cash out your profit. To let this out to you right now, you have been scammed by the person, the so-called trader. The person never traded for you, you only scammed you. All right. So now, watch on a wallet is only meant to be created by the owner of the wallet. All right. So let's say now I want to send a crypto to you, and you send me your address, and you give me your address, and I copy that address, import it on my wallet, my Trust Wallet. I'll see every other cryptos on that wallet, including no matter the chain that the crypto exists on. I'll see definitely see all of them. Now, this is what you should do. Instead of depending on traders that will keep scamming you every single now and then, let me show you what you can do. You yourself could be a trader, and it's totally risk free. Right? It is totally risk free. Like the risk level, yeah, there are risks, and the risk is only when altcoin falls, but the risk level is very low. All right, because it's and this trading pattern is called crypto trading, that's spot trading on either Binance or KuCoin. And then I'm going to show you how you can actually participate in spot trading. This is not future trading, that is a bit risky. This is just spot trading. So like and subscribe. Now, if you want to consult, if you have further concern, and let's say the watch on wallet was your own wallet that you deposited money into, and then you are having you don't know how you got it into watch on a wallet, then feel free to send me a message on Instagram or email me. All right. Remember, terms and conditions applies. Let's go on.
So I have made this video over and over again, and this is my trust wallet right here. Now let's see how a watch on a wallet is actually created in the first place. Now let's say this is my trust wallet and there are multiple ones. Let me click this particular one that has crypto in it. If I want to create a watch on a wallet out of this, all I need to do is to click and copy the receiver address. All right, I'm going to copy the receiver address and I'm going to blur some area because the last video I made, someone copied this receiver address and used it to scam somebody, to scam another person, and the person emailed me that okay, they want to recover watch on a wallet and someone gave it to them, and when they sent me the picture of how it looks like, I saw that it was my own address. All right, so now all I need to do is click on the plus button. I already have a wallet. Then I choose the network that I want my crypto to display on. Okay, there are so many networks right here. All right, so most likely I'm going to choose the Binance Smart Chain. Most people do go for Ethereum as well, but let's choose B BN B BNB. All right, so now whatever crypto that is on this network is definitely going to display just like my original wallet. All right, So now if I must withdraw this, you could see that it's showing watch only. So if I must withdraw this watch on a wallet you see right here, I'll have to copy the recovery phrase and then import it. All right, now this is the thing that let me delete this is some of the things that you would do. Now when someone give you all those things and ask you to create a watch on a wallet, you go on to create a new wallet and you will tell me that you have a recovery phrase. No, it doesn't work that way. Each wallet has its own private key or 12 key recovery phrase. You will not be able to access a watch on a wallet by creating another wallet. No, it does not work that way. All right, this is another way that most people do get access to this watch on a wallet that is being sent to you. If I click on any of the Explorer at all, BSC scan, 𝗕𝗏 scan, they are Explorer. Why BSC scan is actually for Binance Matching Explorer. 𝗕𝗏 scan is an Ethereum Explorer. And then click on any cryptocurrency at all, click on the holders, and then look for any holders address. Let me copy this one. I think I like this one. Copy any, scroll down. Now if you check any holders account or anybody's address on the Explorer, you will see every single thing that is on their wallet. All right, just like you can see right there. And then you also see the transaction they've made, the one that they are making currently. So if I copy this address right here and go over to my Trust wallet and then import it as a watch on a wallet, let me this time around I'll still choose BNB. Import it as a watch on a wallet, paste the address. All right, every single cryptos on this address will actually pop up. So now you can see it's only BNB that is showing up right there. So now for me I could just manually add the other crypto by clicking on the contract ID, which is 𝗓𝗏𝗡𝗃 then click here, paste it right there, and boom, it will come up. And see, ooh, I have over $5 million on this wallet. That's about Ethereum 3000 Ethereum. Now this is a watch on a wallet. I can never ever be able to withdraw this crypto. It's not withdrawable unless the key is visible to me. That's the only time I could withdraw from this watch on a wallet. The only person who can access this wallet is the owner who created and deposited money into it, or whoever the key has been exposed to. Those are the sort of person that can have access to the watch on a wallet. So do not be deceived if one trader gave you something. Now the easiest thing you can do is to go to Binance. If you want to be a trader or you want to trade for yourself and start trading cryptos for yourself. All right, now you could see here there's about $9,100 and something on this wallet right here. If you tap here, you will see some cryptos that I'm actually understudying. Now if you tap on this spot wallet here and then use this particular key right here, this change 24-hour change, you will see that there are some cryptos that have actually done well. This has done over 42%. Imagine if you have your money in it. This one have done 27%, and there are many more down the line that have actually done better than anyone could imagine. All right, look at this one, is doing so good. All right, and if I scroll all the way down, yeah, I'll see cryptos that are actually doing well. Wow. So against the USDT pair, okay, you could also see some other cryptos that are actually doing well. Anyone that is marked with star is actually the one that I kind of am understudying myself. All right, so you could actually use that change button, change it, and you will see the one that has performed poorly. I'm just giving you the okay, I don't know anything about crypto kind of approach that you could use to trade on spot trading and still make some profit. Now let's look at the cryptos that have gone down so badly for the past 24 hours. Now when they are this low, the next thing is, it means they've been down for some time. The next thing is they're going to make a high. So now whenever you see there was a high and then there's a low now, and whenever there's a low, there's always going to be another high. All right, so now what you need to do is click on buy. Now look at, let me use let me start that over again. Let's start that over again. Yeah, look at the last point that this particular crypto went to here is 0.05500. All right. So if I click on buy, now if I'm buying this crypto with about $5,000, all right, okay, I'll have this quantity. Now I'll set the limit. If this crypto ever go to that 0.05540, okay, yeah, let me use that, I will be making extra $942 on this crypto if when it reverts back to that level where it has gone from. All right, and look at this now. The level where I'm actually putting that take profit is actually not far. See, it's not far. I'm using the daily time frame. It's not far. Just here, with just a 1 hour flip, it can cover that. All right. So now some of y'all may be telling me that you don't have $1,000, but most of these scammers, upon my own review, most of you invested over 1,500. Some of you invested over $10,000, $20,000 with these scammers, with these people that you call traders. And one thing with this spot trading is, okay, let me go to Binance Future. Let me click on Future now. Okay, this is the profit that I made today alone, that I've shifted to future today alone, and this is almost every single day. Some days $300, some days $400, just making spot trading. Okay, you could see that my balance is actually some most cases I use 5,000 to buy one asset. Sometimes I use up close to 10,000 or something to buy one asset. And now Bitcoin just started pumping. Hey, everywhere is green. Yeah, over the past few hours, Bitcoin was red, but now everything is back and greenish now, right? So with that, you could be making decent profit for yourself every single day. All right, so if you want to get into more detailed tutorial courses, yeah, apart from Binance, if you don't have a Binance account, please click on the link. That the link is actually provided in the description. Even if you don't have, you could use other exchange like a KuCoin. If you don't have KuCoin, also I have provided a link in the description of this video that you could use to register a KuCoin on a Binance account or a hobby account for yourself. But I recommend Binance because Binance have actually been very transparent and helpful for me. So if you want to get into a detailed course on how this can be done properly, step-by-step tutorial for me to teach you, please click on the link in the description. I've actually provided you can register or send me a message on Instagram. All right, and then you get registered and then you get into the course. Let me show you guys something. All right, these profits that you can see here can only be from trading cryptocurrency. Mind you, these are real profit. You can see if I tap on it, I could send. You could see I could send. All right. So watch on a wallet cannot be sent. All right. So learn real cryptocurrency, real crypto trading. That's one of the best way you can make profit from cryptocurrency right now. I'm not talking about those scammers that you give your money to and then they give you watch on a wallet. No. Learn how to trade yourself, learn valuable skills on cryptocurrency, and the cost is just less than $30 or $50 down below. Click on the link down below and register right now.